Hi guys, just meeting up with one of my mates today to check out his Ford Fiesta ST. It's been quite modified, and I thought I'd just share it with you guys because I know some of you guys out there may like it. So here it is. As you can see, it's quite dirty and that, so, but he's kindly lent it to me to check out, so just that. Right, the car's got Miltek exhaust on it. It's got new wind deflectors, which you can see it's put on. Got obviously black sprayed wheels, and I think he's changed the brakes. New rear diffuser, which looks pretty cool. There's the Miltek exhaust. He's done nice little touches to the green ST badge and STOC owners club for the Ford Owners Club. Rear badge, tinted windows. See, like carbon fibre strips on the side. These are the wind deflectors, windshield deflectors. They're pretty cool. They always help. A few little Ford racing stickers. Little side skirt splitters. Don't know what they're called nowadays. Green tinted spotlights. And he's got the LDR8 running lights, which look pretty cool. Also has a vents on the bonnet, which, yeah, look alright. Okay, so he's got some nice little touches on the interior as well. He's got the full leather ST seats, which look pretty cool. They're heated as well, which is a bonus. I believe he's added this to it as well, which looks pretty cool. Nice Bluetooth head unit. Like I said, he's already got the exhaust added. Got the blue light added to that, which looks pretty cool. What else has he added? That's what it's like in the rear anyway. Nice cool little mats. So yeah, I'll start the car up so you can hear what it's like with the exhaust, and hopefully we'll try and get some drive-by shots for you as well, so you can hear what it's like from the outside. Here goes. Right, let's hear it. Actually sounds pretty cool. Leave the camera, right. Exhaust. yeah, so it sounds pretty cool for a little 2 litre. It's yeah, it sounds pretty awesome. Boot space, do you want to see what that's like? Let me show you what that's like. How do I even undo the boot on this car? Does that do it? So that's what the boot's like. Not really much in there, but it's big enough to get some bits in. Yeah, I don't know if there's one underneath. I think so. Yeah, there's a spare one underneath there as well, in case people were wondering. So yeah, that's the boot. So as you can see, it's got a new air filter been put on, some new strut brakes with front suspension, and I think it's got an uprated water cooler as well, water pump. So yeah, so that's been done, because I think they're a common fault for these, so that's been upgraded. So yeah, it looks pretty cool though. Yeah, it looks pretty neat, so yeah. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. Please can you give us like a thumbs up and comment on what to improve on, if the stuff you want me to improve on, or what other things you'd like to see. Because I think I'm buying a Porsche Cayman next, so we'll add that in soon, in case you guys want to see that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, really appreciate it. Thank you, peace out.